Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clearing the sink and putting on gloves so you don't touch grime. Wet the surface lightly. Sprinkle 1/2 cup baking soda over stained areas because it acts as a mild abrasive that lifts dirt without scratching. Take a stiff brush or non-scratch pad and scrub in circular strokes, concentrating where grime accumulates. Apply pressure steadily, not hard enough to damage finish, and work from the farthest corner toward the drain so loosened debris rinses away as you go. Once the baking soda has been scrubbed in, pour 1/2 cup white vinegar over it to create a fizz that chemically loosens mineral deposits and organic grime. Let this reaction sit for 5–10 minutes so the solution can penetrate seams and the faucet base. Then scrub again, focusing on edges and under the rim where buildup hides. Rinse with hot water to flush residues. If spots persist, make a thicker baking soda paste and repeat the targeted scrubbing so you remove remaining stains. You finish by flushing the sink with a strong stream of hot water to carry away loosened grime and dissolved residues, then dry the surface with a microfiber cloth to prevent new water spots. If fixtures look dull, apply a tiny amount of mineral oil or a stainless cleaner and buff to restore shine. Make sure to reassemble the stopper. If a stain won't budge, try repeating the baking soda and vinegar cycle, or use a short contact commercial cleaner designed for your sink material as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.